to animate Gacha animals in Alight motion. I'll show you two ways how to animate them. 1. Picture tweening. 2. Vector drawing. At first, you'll need to take a screenshot of the pet. There are 238 pets in Gacha Club. You can pick the one you like and take a screenshot of it. Picture tweening. Then I'll import it onto IbisPaint X. You can use any app you like. Select the magic wand and then tap on the background to select it. Then tap on clear layer. Duplicate the layer and then we'll separate the pet. Remove everything except the part you want to have. For example, erase everything except the head. Duplicate the screenshot again and repeat the process for all the other body parts. You may need to redraw and fix some parts. If you want to animate the face too, then make sure to separate the facial parts as well. Then tap on the three dots and select Save Layer as Transparent PNG. Make sure to save all the layers as a transparent PNG. After that, we'll import them onto Alight motion. First, create a project or an element. Tap on the plus, then go to Media, select View All. And then enable multiple layer selection, then tap on this timing. Rename the layers. Now we'll have to set up the pet. Go to Move and Transform, then tap on the location symbol to activate the pivot point. Use the control pad to place the pivot point where the joint or fulcrum is supposed to be. Yes, place the pivot point for all the body parts. Then you can use either group or parenting to attach the body parts. Select the layers and tap on group to group them. You'll have to set the pivot point again. If you want to parent, then select a layer, tap on the parent layer button, and then select a layer from the list. Now the child layer will be attached to the parent layer you selected. Since I created my pet as an element, I'll create a new project, improve the element, and then finally animate it. You can find the element of the pet in Element if you created it as an element. Now, add keyframes and start animating the pet however you want to. I'd recommend studying how these animals move around to get a much lifelike result. Vector drawing. Import only the screenshot of the pet. Then go to Blending and Opacity and lower the opacity. Then tap on the plus and select Vector Drawing. You can check this tutorial out if you want to know how to use vector drawing. Then you can draw the parts of the body one by one using a new vector layer each time. You can go to Border and Shadow to enable stroke or add a border outline. Tap on the curve to curve a point. You can make the pet look identical to the image if you want to. I'm just following it loosely. and I committed a grave mistake. This is not the tail but the leg. I realized it too late. I thought it had only one leg. Then you'll have to set up or attach the body parts again using either group or parenting. I'll show you how to animate vector drawing too. But first, let's save the pet as an element. You can save the pet as an element by grouping all the layers. Then tapping on the overflow menu, then selecting Save to My Elements. I have just rotated the head. You can see that the body is still visible and is a bit odd. Go to Edit Points, then switch to Keyframe Edit mode. Now you can add keyframes and animate the control points and curve control points. That's that. You can use the swing effect to animate the wings. I'll also add the oscillate effect onto the body to make a floating movement.